Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to configure your Sky router. First, connect your Sky router to the main phone socket using the provided cables. Next, plug in the power adapter and switch it on. Wait for about 2 to 3 minutes until the internet and wireless lights become solid green. Finally, connect your computer or phone to the router, either wirelessly or with an Ethernet cable. Now, let's access the router settings. Open any web browser on your connected device and type 192.168.0.1 into the address bar. You will then be prompted for a username and password. These details are usually printed on a sticker on the back or bottom of your Sky router. Once logged in, navigate to the Wireless or Network Settings section. It's time to personalize your Wi-Fi. First, change your Wi-Fi network name or SSID to something memorable. Next, create a strong, unique password for your wireless network. Avoid using personal information. You might also see options to separate the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi bands, which can optimize performance for different devices. Remember to save your changes. For enhanced security and control, consider these advanced tips. Regularly check for and install firmware updates. These often include important security patches and performance improvements. Enabling a separate guest Wi-Fi network allows visitors internet access without sharing your main network password. Also, explore parental controls or firewall settings to manage network access and security for your home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.